So sister, you can see here, these are, you can see this is the green color and the last one is in black color. So hey sister, welcome to Bhagalpuri Textile. So today we have this pure linen tissue saree which is in temple. Okay, and these are the few color we have today. You can see here, this is black color, and here's the green one. This is a light green color, and this is purple color. You can see here, this is the purple color, and the last one is in gray color. This is olive gray we call. Okay, so these are the 5 saree which we have today. Wait, I'll show you these all saree separately so you can see and let us know. So sister, you can see here, these are the 5 color we have today in Temple Tissue Saree. All are same design, only color is different. So I'll open this only one saree and you can see the color, texture and the quality of the fabric. So I'm just opening this purple saree and showing you the full view of this pure tissue linen saree. So you can see the texture of the saree. This is very soft and good quality linen. And here you can see this is the body area. Okay, this is the body area and this is the lower part of the saree. This is in temple woven we call. This is the temple, and you can see the 3 inch of the upper part. And here you can see this is the contrast blouse piece which is very soft and good quality, and here's the palla. Okay, and you can see the dual combination of tassels. So this is very budget friendly saree also we can say. And wait, I'm just opening few saree. You can see this is olive green color. Okay, and the third one is in pink color. You can see this is the pink color. This is the pink color saree, and the fourth one is in green color. You can see this is the green color, and the last one is in black color. So if you want any of this saree, then you can DM us. Okay, so this is for today's video. Hope you like this. If you like this, then please subscribe and follow our page. So bye bye, take care, have a good day.